Ala sa ayos. Baliw talaga itong jowa.
I've been fooled by love so many times. My door, no key was cut. That was the fit. Now I'm such a very lucky guy. Get away outside now. Don't think they can leave me weak. My heart knows it's the beat I seek, and I found it. Just got love. Oh boy, I found it. Just got love. 'Cause I never felt this way before.
Weng and Aika, welcome to this sacrament of matrimony. Isang beses lamang ito mangyayari sa inyong buhay. So this is your big and special day in your life to be done, this moment.
My dearest babe, para sa aking pinakamamahal, para sa aking nag-iisa at walang katulad, para sa mas pinaka sexy na babae sa aking mga mata. Ako ay nangangako na mananatili sa iyong tabi at sasamahan at aalalayan ka sa lahat ng pagsubok at hindi suko para sa atin.
Today officially begins our lifetime. Grabe, diba? Finally, after 17 years. Parang lifetime na, pero here we are, stronger than ever. Finally saying I do.
I promise to love you unconditionally, to respect and honor you, and to always strive to be the best version of myself for you.
Weng and Aika, ang pag-iisang dibdib ay isang bukasyon na nagaganap sa kalooban ng Diyos. Hindi lamang sa inyong dalawa na nagmula ito, kundi kasama niyo ang Diyos. Pinagtagpo kayo dalawa.
And every day after this, I will keep choosing you and will hold your hand forever. I love you, babe ko. I love you always and forever. Your sexy babe, Erica. P.S. See you later. Rawr.
Days of a brand new start came in perfect time and measure.
I promise to stand by your side to support and cherish you in all the seasons of your life. Together, I vow to be your partner in adventure and your comfort in times of sorrow. I look forward to a lifetime of laughter, love, and growing old together.
Heaven's looking down upon
Babe
you.
ko, I know you always wanted something like this. Totoo to! And this is your first and hopefully not the last. deserve this because you're very hardworking. I love you so much. Okay lang magpagod dito sa pag-prepare ng wedding. Kahit mahirap ako sa pag-prepare ng wedding, okay lang. First step.
Sarap mga dyan. Tapos is...
For the worthy cause, praise for the crashes down around here.
Tapos magugulat kayo. Kunwari happy kayo.
Weight of a thousand
Here's when, tandaan mo lang yung LRT na sinasabi.
Ano yung LRT?
L stands for love, R stands for respect, at saka yung T, to trust toward each other. No?
Wow, thank you.
Pangalagaan nyo lang yan, magiging maganda ang buhay nyo.
I've been waiting my whole life. I've been waiting my whole life for this.
Thank you for never letting go of my hand. And most of all, we always put God at the center of our relationship. Kaya kahit gaano kahirap, kahit gaano katagal, andito pa rin tayo together. So today, in front of everyone, I say yes to you and forever with you.
Failure with a glorious plan from what once was only hope and a dream. Raging palms to the sun, let me throw my arms around you. I've been waiting my whole
Nandito pa rin kami palagi. Magmamahal sa inyong dalawa. I love you, Erica.